Hi everyone, I'm Jin Hong. Today I will going to doing the Edabit practice for the first 30 minutes, and then after the 30 minutes, Clifford will continue the Edabit question. So let me share my screen first. Okay, so everyone can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me try the medium question. Maybe we try which one you prefer? I prefer you choose
Any lah, I think.
any. Mm, we choose this up. Find the number of digit in the number. So create a function that will return an integer number corresponding to the amount of digit in the given integer number. Continue here lah.
Alright.
Copy this first. Number. Things will be returned to some. Turn the number. Okay. Just curious how it becomes 4.
Because like this one is like 1,000. 1,000 comprised of 1000, so it's like 4 digits.
40.
Yeah.
So is there any formula to be put after the number?
I think there's a formula in. Let me think.
Look at the
Yeah, there's a formula called max.abs, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. The second one. Yeah. I think this one will help.
Okay. Wow. So let me try this out. Let me try I test first lah.
Alright.
Let me see this first. Previously, you mentioned that next dot ADS. Then before that, you are saying
Yes.
before you saying the net MPS, what is there any thing you mentioned also?
Um
Right. Just curious how 1,000 how we can work.
Or maybe we can try another method, like we convert it into string first, then use the method we count how many characters in the string.
It is just a string question. I think but I think so we have some formula, right? Just for this video. Eh? Now you think screen.
Do you need help on this one?
Sorry?
Do you need help on this one?
Yeah, I need help.
Okay. So as we can see that the question asks for like how do we find the number of digits
Yeah,
in a given integer, right?
yeah,
So apparently there, I mean, like in JavaScript, there are multiple ways to do this, mathematically or programmatically. So let's try the like basic ones. The one of the solutions. I think Wayne. I think Clifford just told about. Just tell you about this. Probably you didn't like hear it. Um, what was that, Clifford? About the strings?
We convert to the string first, then use count how many characters in the string
Yeah,
to
I
count
think.
how.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think that one we can. I think you know. I think you can try to do that one. You convert that number, that digit, into a string, and then you like count how many characters in that because it's basically a number. It's just that it's in a string format.
Okay.
I missed out the arguments on the console log.
I put it 1 is equal to 1. If I put 2, connect.
All right. So I mean, first thing you can do, try to like convert the number you're getting out from the arguments, right? Like, yeah, you get the number, and then try to put it in a variable. Make a like, yeah, create a variable, anything. Just don't name it the same as the parameters. Name it something else, maybe like full name, number, or anything. Yeah, yeah, you can name it something else. All right. So basically, first you can get the number, like the what do you call that? The argument, right? So just try to put it equals to that number. No, the parameters, the function parameters, num.
Okay.
All right, but like let's try to like convert this number into a string. So basically, you can just call num dot. I mean, like on the last line you just meddled with, line 400.
Okay.
Yeah, at the back of that, yeah, just press dot. Dot. I mean, like dot.
Okay.
I mean, the single dot. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So basically, when you get a number, you can like convert like to string like that. So to to and string with capital S.
is it like this?
Got a bracket.
Yeah, it's a function, so you have to put a bracket at the back.
Okay.
Right. So basically, this variable stores a string for that number. Okay. Yeah, string representation. So try to like return the number just to see if it works. Just I think you can put up Matt that one.
The map.
No, I think you can just put that out. We just want to see like the string, if it like if it's the same as our like our parameter.
Do you mean the term num is it?
I mean return number.
The number. Okay.
Yeah. You can just delete the back one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Let's try to see if it displays the same thing. All right. So yeah, it's a string because it's not yellow. Okay. So let's try to like to find the digits, right? So we just like we can just like count how many characters are there. Like that's one of it. Or we could just like give dot length. So that's basically it, right? So you can just type number dot length.
Oh, you mean here, right? Dot then.
Yeah. Yeah.
You. So we can try to run again, right? Oh, okay. You can understand this one.
Yeah.
Oh, because they are counting the number, is it?
Yeah, they're counting the digits
Yes.
as
Oh,
the number.
okay.
Yeah.
Just now
I'm
I
like,
understand.
this is one way to do it, like with strings, but there are other ways, such as you can I mean, like without using strings, you can just like divide the number.
Divide by tens and
Yeah.
count how many.
How many? Yes.
Yeah.
So it's basically dividing them by 10 until it became 0, or like point something. I mean, like the point has to be at the front. So yeah, until you have nothing left, and then that's the basically the digits. So yeah, so this is basically the simple like solution for this. problem.
Okay. You say divided by 10. I don't understand why need to divided by 10.
We count how many times we divide by 10. Actually, this method I also didn't think of. Just now Danish mentioned that I said, oh, it can work. Like, for example, the second example is 12. We divided by 10 one times, we got only 1 with the remainder 2.
Yeah,
Then
I got
we
1.2. Yeah.
Then we divide 2 by 10 again. At this time is we got 0, but also with remainder 2 also. Because we divided by 10 2 times, so the number of digits is 2.
Right,
I think this one, we need to use a loop for it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
We cannot just do it with simple function.
Yeah, you guys can like try to figure out on like how do we do this without strings.
Oh, okay.
So first, I mean, like you can just what do you call that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can also do this way, but you have to get the array first because you don't have an array. And to get the array, you can just use from the string that we use, like that num.to string, and then you can just get the array.
Yes.
Wait, what's the function? I think it's yeah, I think it's split. So you're basically getting the array.
you say dog string, right? Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. You can just refer to the documentations for the like from the MDN web docs. You can, if you want to see like yeah on the top, you can just Google for the strings.
You say npm
No. Just type string JS.
string as.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. And then you can see that yeah on the top one. So you can see all of the methods on the left, and on the left, yeah, you can just scroll down, find for split dot split, yeah, at the end, and with fix font color. You can scroll down more. So the one you're looking for, like to convert the string into an array of each character is string.prototype.split. It's like right under. You can just scroll down on the methods, so you can find that.
You saying that is a dot
Split SPLIT. Yeah, that one under the that one. So basically, this method will like divides the string into an array, but it depends on like what do you give them, like what to divide with. But since we have numbers only, we don't have any commas or anything. We don't have to give anything into that array, into that like what do you call that?
Delimiters.
Yeah, in the arguments. So you just str the split yeah on that line 11. So basically okay. All right, as what I can see here, if you don't give any separators, which is the arguments for that split method, it will return like the whole sentence, right? So just like maybe you can follow on line 7. So that's basically the way.
So from here, this one I just
You put it on line 400 first. Yeah, that one. So basically you can, you first convert the number into a string, and then you split. Try to do something with line 400. There's something you need to change there.
yeah, can we discuss by okay.
I think Jin Yong has actually write something in the chat. Maybe you can look for it.
Okay. Oh, the Saturday cannot bend, cannot think.
Oh, chill. I think the first step, let's follow your methods. Num dot toString dot split first.
Now those things to be put in the right
Right hand
400.
side. Yeah, like 400.
Or after the equal, right?
Yes, after the equal.
Sorry, can I have the link for the Edabit so that
Oh.
maybe I can just help you guys out?
Will be constant number, right?
Yeah, I think we can work on constant.
I cannot think it. String. What's the next step actually?
After we convert into the split, we need the separators, because like Danish mentioned just now, without the separators it will return the original string to us. So we need like how to say this symbol. This one. The second one.
Yeah, basically a single quote symbol. You just put it twice.
Yes.
With no spacing in the split method.
Yeah, as an argument for the split.
Yeah.
So that one should be put it after the.
Just put into like that split method in the arguments in the brackets. Just put the single quote twice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's basically it. So basically, what this does is, for that particular string, it will like get the array for each character.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, what you're giving in that is basically like after each one, because there are no separators.
Like put anything else inside the for loop.
Okay, so once you have the array, since we are doing this like with for loop, right? So maybe um hmm all right, I don't think it's like efficient to use a for loop and an array. Maybe we can use like just use a number. Like since we like get that number as an integer, right? So what we need is that we need a counter just to count like how many digits. What else do we need? Yeah, I think we only need a counter. So what we do is that we can just create another variable that stores the number. Not in the for loop. I think we are not going to use the for loop yet. Just put it above, yeah. Right. So we need to like have a count variable. It's basically the variable that will count count how many digits we have in that number.
How?
Yeah. So it's basically var count is equals to 0. So it's basically like a count variable.
It's like like let number equal to 1, something like that. But this
Yeah.
one equal to 0.
0. So basically for every iteration, we will add 1 onto this variable, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So the next step is we are going to need another variable that will store the number. So for example, you just create under line 400 if that's I think that's better. So var num or var number is equals to num. Yeah. Just name it something else. You can't have the same name. On the left side, I mean.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. It's part of the process. So, all right, yeah. So basically, this variable is gonna behave like a number, but once we do every operation on this variable, we are going to replace this variable with like the latest number lah. Okay. So okay, so once we have these two variables, I think we can try to do. Okay. So instead of using a for loop, let's try to use a while loop, because for loop you need like a certain or fixed, what do you call that, number of iterations, right? But this one we don't know like what number will be given into this function. So yeah, so how when do we keep going through this loop? So be like we want to like maybe what do you call that, like divide the number like by 10, right? Like every time it can. So what's the condition? So the condition could be like whatever, well, number one, your variable number one, yeah,
Okay.
more than 0 maybe.
More than 0.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, more than 0. Yeah, I guess. Let me think. So for example, okay, let's try to do like let's try to like jot down something or like brainstorm. Okay, if you have like number 12, like what Clifford just said, so when that number 12 is divided by 10, you get 1.2, right? Which is the what do you call it, the decimal point moves to the left once, right? Do you get it?
Move to the left one. Meaning,
The decimal point, I think you can just write it down, or maybe wait up, let me get my pen and paper. All right. Unfortunately, I don't have a pen and paper. Okay. Okay, I just want to like show you like how what's the thought process on this one. So I'm just going to share my screen. You can just like see.
Okay.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So basically what I'm going to do is that, so if this number is 12, as we can see by eye, we can see there are 2 digits, right?
Mhm.
So how do we do this like mathematically is that first we can like divide this number by 10 until, okay. So basically 12 is 12.0, right?
Yes.
Do you agree? All right. So this decimal point is here. So basically when we divide it by 10, you're basically moving this once, right? Moving the point. Yeah, moving the decimal point once. So it become like 1.2. So
Mhm.
and then to make it like 2, which is the like the real answer, is that we need to like divide this number by 10 one more time so that the decimal point gets to the back. So it becomes 0.12. So once we have the whole like what's the point, what do you call that? Once the number given in that function is at the like decimal places behind the 0, then the while function stops because we already have that, what do you call that, that number of digits, right? Do you get it or no? Okay, let me just try to how do you like delete everything?
Undo.
Yeah, yeah, where's okay, this one. Okay, so okay, let's just do it like again. Oh, is this the one? I think this is the one. Okay, it's 12.0, so this is basically number 12. So our while loop will be like while 12 is more than 0, which means, yeah, I think that's a bad condition though. But the thing is that I want to do something like this. So while this number is still like having I mean like what can I say? Jing Yong, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I mean like, do you have any idea on like how do you want to explain if you get the idea?
As in like the while condition, or as in how to see the decimal point moving?
I think it's yeah, maybe on the while condition though.
The while condition. I,
Yeah.
I was thinking maybe the while condition is
Mhm.
as long as the modulus is not equal
Yeah.
to 0.
Mm-hmm. That's okay.
Yeah, then the loop should keep going on. Basically, as long as your remainder is not a 0, it should keep running. The moment it's a 0, then the loop should stop. That's
Yeah.
my thought process lah.
Yeah, I think that's the better way because instead of like dividing the number like directly, we can just use modulus so that we can like manipulate with the remainders, right? So um all right. Okay, let's just do like this. So basically if we were about to like divide this number in with 10, then what we need is 1, right? So we need a like 1 and then the remainder is 2. So and then this one how I'm so blank right now.
Wait. Let me think. Okay, if that's the case, we need to times 10 to it first, though. Unless it's divide by 1. Wait, does that even make sense? Divide by 1. 0. Anything divide by 1,
You get back the number.
you get back the number. So
Yeah.
if 0 divided by 1, it becomes 0. Then basically whenever you divide, yeah, so the mod so that means if you use modulus, you have to use 1, which is a bit weird lah, but you need to divide by 10 every time. So you divide by 10, you divide by okay. You check the modulus first, Then after that, you divide by 10 everyone to make it go less by one number. Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Or if not, you just times 10. Times 10, then everything will be easier already. Alright, so if you times 10, that will be 120. So 120, you can loop through 2 rounds, right? That means there was 2 digits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like loop through. Like, what do you loop through?
Modulus. Okay, so you divide by 10,
Yep.
and then every time the new result, you store it into the previous number. So like
Yes. Okay.
num equals 120. Next round,
Mhm.
num equals to 12. Next round,
Yep.
num equals to 1.2. And then, yeah, num equals to 0. That's 0.12, that kind of stuff.
Yeah. I mean, like, okay.
So that means the num variable will constantly be re-updated.
Yeah. I mean, like that is what I was thinking too. But what's the like sentinel for the while condition? Do you know what?
What?
Yeah.
Or
I mean,
what's
like,
the while condition,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Um,
Because since the number will not, I mean, like, will never be less than 0, so we can't use like number more than 0.
yeah, so the modulus, so the modulus should be, okay, do we want to divide by 1 or divide by 10? It's like almost the same thing.
How does dividing by 1 works?
If it's 0 point something divided by 1, it will be,
You'll get the same number, right?
Yeah.
no, the remainder, what's the remainder?
The remainder is the same number, or
Oh,
no? Oh, I mean, like, okay,
wait,
the remainder, right?
Shoot, wait, let me see. Okay,
So
for
the
me,
remainder must be like 1 minus that.
yeah, my
that-
my original will be times 10 first. Times 10, then I think that should work out for everything. But yeah, this
Okay.
don't let me try. Oh, okay, let me run my own JavaScript also.
Just gonna stop sharing first.
Okay.
You guys can just try to think something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, because I really need to go to see.
I think if a device works better than modulus, then we set the while condition like greater than 1 instead of greater than 0.
Oh yeah, exactly. I think that's the one. Yeah, I think that's the one.
Yeah, so we do not need to worry if it is
Yeah.
divided by 0 and the module and it
Yeah,
will modulus.
exactly. I mean, like when the number reaches to the front, to the like the first most digit, right? So you will have like 0 point something, like anyway, right? So let's try to
Yes.
do like while number more than 1. Yeah, I'm just gonna okay. I think that's the one.
Oh yeah, correct. More than
Yeah,
1, right?
yeah, more than 1.
Yeah, it's not, we're not looking at 0, we're looking at 1.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
that's good one, Clifford. No, the count you can you need to start from 0. I mean on the line 4 or 3, just change that 0 to 1. So basically, while the number is more than 1, you need to keep looping through. So in the loop, what do we do? First, we can maybe like add 1 to the count, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. So let's try to add 1 to the count, and then we update that number. So what do we like? We can just update that number to that. What do you mean? What I mean is that we divide that number by 10 and update that number into the variable. So you can just like straight write number 1 is equals to number 1 divided by 10. So basically, that's it.
No, I already write the count
Mhm.
equal 1. So how to divide 10 again?
No, you divide the number 1 variable.
Yeah, number 1 divide equal to number 1 divide equal to 10.
No, on a new line. Just let it, the line that you just did, that's correct. Yeah. On this line, yeah, you can just like number 1 divided by 10 and store this this calculation into the number 1 back. So yeah.
Yeah.
Then
And then you can just return count.
Yes.
then next step should be how?
Change the line for what the number so small. 409 from return number dot line equal to return count.
Yeah, just return count.
Yeah, yeah.
And delete 402.
Delete what?
Delete line 402 because we don't use any strings now.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I think this is it.
Return count.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Return count. You have number
Yeah.
dot count, right? Yeah, we don't need the number dot. Yeah. So basically, this is it, I think.
Let's try first.
So we've been looking at the wrong like things just now. Let's hope. Yeah. So basically, this is it.
Let me try another number.
I think the issue will come in when it's negative.
Oh, so we need to use the absolute first.
Yeah, I mean, like if it's negative, then we can convert it to positive first, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So absolute would do the trick.
Mm-hmm. And like there are no since there are no like any constraints for this one, so you can just try to.
Oh, this one get
Okay.
it wrong.
Okay, this one gets wrong. Why? Because maybe
Greater or equal to 1.
Oh yeah.
The while loop
Greater or
conditions.
equal, because there are cases equals to 1 as well.
yep.
Yeah.
Is it?
Sorry,
Yeah.
greater than one.
Greater beside the greater side put a equal side. No. The other way around.
Oh, this one is it?
No. Just now the while loop, but right after the greater sign. Yeah. Here.
Oh, yeah, true.
Nice.
Okay.
Try another one.
And try negative.
Sorry, Jingho?
Try negative 100. Negative 100.
This one. Okay.
Oh no. Try the solution. Sorry, the number of digits. Remove the -1.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, try number of digits. You line 411. Make it negative 100.
100.
See if it still works. Maybe it does.
Yeah, because it didn't like go through the while loop, so because we need it to be like more than 1, right? So yeah, that's why. It's okay. We can just like make it positive for this one.
Absolutely, I think.
Yeah.
Number of digits doesn't work. 0.
Yeah. So for 0, I think it's a special case. You can just put if else.
Yeah.
If else?
Yeah, I mean like to take into account number 0. Yeah, just put if number 1 is equals to 0, return 1.
Oh, there are many edge cases.
Yeah. Return 1 because it's only 1 digit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. 407. We need a comparator. The one you equals to, if it's 1 equal, then it's you're defining it. So double equal.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can press up 2 times, no? Then after that you run .app.js.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, just up. Yeah, nice.
Try again. Oh yeah, I pressed wrong previously. Okay. Can I try another number? Oh, one. This one. Now. Then it's one. Things will be correct.
Yeah. I think this solution will work.
Okay. Check first.
Oh.
What for one?
Expected 0 is the got 0.
Yeah, I think for the particular one, it's because it's a negative number.
All right, so you just absolute it. So at line
Yeah.
4.1, just math.apps, that number.
401 is it?
Yeah, 401. Yeah.
Uh,
So why are we doing this? It's because that whenever the number is negative, we want to like make it positive. So that's why we use absolute. So yeah, just write math.apps. The one that you just write, like the one Clifford just talked about early in the session.
Yeah.
Also, before the nums with ABS, is it?
Huh?
Before the nums with ABS, is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Math.abs and then bracket,
That's right.
put the number in that, put the num in that. Yeah. All right, hopefully.
Okay.
One. Let's say yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
And
Clifford, do you want to continue for your question?
I think can. Wait, let me open the Edabit first. Actually, like right after the last session, I tried another hard question called the Tower of Hanoi. Wow, that one is like really hard.
Yeah, that one is basically
Oh.
it's what do you call that? It's an algorithm question. Because the
Yeah,
Tower of
yeah.
Hanoi, it's like one of the like popular mathematical problems. That was
Okay.
hard one.
Oh, so I share my screen now. Okay, so everyone can see, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I discovered there's a question called shuffle. Then I can I can choose the difficulty and I click shuffle, then it will give me a random questions lah. So no need to pick. But sometimes the question might be a bit crazy also lah. So beware. Okay. So this is a question I got. Let me share the link. It's called polydivisible numbers. Okay. Its first digit is not 0. The number. Wow. Okay. One, two, three.
Ah, okay.
Okay, divided by 3 is 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. Means like we got how many digits, then we need to divide it by how many times, but it must always be a whole number, right? If
Yeah.
following. Okay, all right, let's try these questions. Okay, I think just now what Ching Hong questions is a bit related lah, because we need to know how many digits to call questions 1.js. Okay. Is it? Okay. Oh, I need this as an example first lah. Okay, it's okay. Okay, I just take this as example. And what am I going to do? The first steps. I'm going to use a while loop. Okay, maybe I try a more direct method. The first step, I'm going to get how many digits. This will give me to know, this will let me to know how many times the number should be divided. Then the second steps, I'm going to use a while loop. Use a for loop. Yeah, because I got the conditions. So the initialize the starting will be 1, and the ending will be the number of digits. And the steps, I will start delete the number. I will start divide the number. And I will break if the number is not an integer. Okay, so this is the functions. So I let num equal to n.toString. And let length equal to dot length. Okay, then use a for loop. Oh, and I let chat equal to false first. Yeah, I create a boolean first. Okay. So what to put inside the for loop?
Maybe you can use the slide. Use your
Use the
ICT.
use a slide.
Yeah.
Yes, I think can use a slice, but slice seems only works on a string. But let me confirm slice just. Yeah, slice works on array. But the problem is I want to capture the numbers from the fronts. But however, if I convert integers to array, need to go to string first. Will it work if I convert integers to array, then I use the slice, then I join it back to string again, then convert back to integers? Oh, but it seems like a lot of things to do.
Wait, why do you need so many conversions again?
Because like for example, the number like 1, 2, 3, 2, I need to get the first number. I need to get the number from the front, it's not from the back.
Yeah.
So by this way, it limited me. I cannot use the modulus method to capture the remainder. So
Actually, no worries there, because your first one you are grabbing it as you turning into an array, right?
okay.
Then yeah. So what I did was I used one as I converted it into a string, then array. Then I check the first one. Then for the other remaining operations, I just use back the original n.
Use back the original n.
So yeah, like for example, the line 13, what I did was I turn it into two string, then dot split, and then the quotation. So that way I can check the first each case, like whether it's a 0 or not.
Okay.
But for me, I use two different ones. So maybe your one can work as well. Yeah, it's just I have two different one. One is an array type, and then one is the original. And yeah.
Yeah, I think thinking array might be works, but I don't want, if don't want too many conversion. Is there a more mathematical method to capture the front number?
Technically you can keep dividing it lah, I guess. You can
Yes.
times 10 and then just keep dividing it. So if let's say you have 10 numbers, right, you go from 10,
Yeah.
9, 8, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, you know, to 1 like that. Yeah. Yeah, but other than that, I'm also not very sure actually. So exploring just like you.
Okay, let me click the hints. They say every.
Oh, okay.
Because here got give some resources. What, this one only like one resources.
Every
Then,
year. Oh yeah, actually should try that.
wow, they are also using array. I think array is the only method, maybe. But because like just now I Google it, I cannot directly convert integers to array. We have to go to string as well. Yes. Okay, if I try this. Did it? Reverse. Sorry. Okay, reverse. Can use this way. Oh, keystrokes. Parse int. Okay. So this one should be less than. Okay, now what I did is like I reverse number. Like this one is 1, 2, 3, 2. I changed to 1, 2, 3, I change the number to like 2321 so that I can work from the last digit to the front digit. I think that will be more simple for me to try with. Okay. So the first one I'm going to do, it should start from 1 instead of 0. First one is I need to get the modulus. Let's num equal to 10 multiplied by I. So this one will be, I consult the log first. Let me check first if I'm on the right path. Oh. Yeah, I don't need any. Okay, questions 1.js. How come my console download doesn't work so?
Maybe you can try delete and click. Okay.
Oh, this is a function. I have to call it. Okay. Wow, sorry, I so blur. Let me try 1, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 2. I save it. Oh, so many. Okay, so the first one, the length is like 7. Oh, okay. 7 is not right. So what is the reverse number? Oh, there's a comma there. Two, 3, 1, 2. Separator. Okay. Okay, this one should be right already. Then I see what is these variables. Yeah, it's a number because just how Dennis said yellow means it's a number. So okay, so it's correct. Console.log num. Okay. Two, 3, 1, 2. modulus is 1. If I want to get, okay, yes, this one is correct. The second one will be like divided by one. Sorry. No, what I did doesn't work. I cannot reverse the number. Because I expected to get 12, but now it become like 21. Okay, so that's very sad. I cannot reverse the number. I think it's okay. I don't reverse it. For this one, first I divide by the multiple points. Yes, okay, it works. I can capture the prime number already using the divide, not the modulus, because like just like I think of reverse, but I capture number in the reverse way instead of the front way. So and now I change another one. I use a divide, and I managed to capture the front number. Now what I need to do is to get rid of the decimal, and it's not hard. I'm going to use the maths.flow. Okay, so let's. Okay, yeah, at least success the first step already lah. Okay. Oh, like finally, doing the wrong experiment just now. Okay, so to get the first number, I use num. Mode equal to num divided by I. Because like if it can completely divide it, if not give any decimal, it will the modulus is 0. If if the modulus not equal to 0, check is equal to false, and I break the loop. Oops. And I break the loops, because like if one number cannot complete divide, then I can break the root already. I don't need to continue to check it. However, if all modulus is not 0, then check is equal to true. Okay. So let's try out first. Maybe got some. Return check. Okay, the first one is true. Then the second one. Oh, what's that? Oh, the second is true, so it shouldn't be. The second one is false. So I think basically just like this. Oh yeah, and still got one age condition. The first digit is not a 0. So have to check. If, oh. Okay. So if 0, yeah, it's false. So let me try if the code is working in Edabit. Oops, codes, yeah, here. Yeah. Function. Okay, check. Okay. There's one condition is fail. The one?
Clifford,
Yes.
you mind sending me this what's it called? The test one.
Oh, the test can.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
because I was also
sure.
trying out on my side, but then it got some jam. I mean, like, yeah, so I have some problems.
Oh, okay. I think this is redundant lah. Check. Okay, yeah, so I know this kind of algorithm questions, there will be a lot more solutions and there will be a very efficient one. If you got it, please also share to me. So this is my solution.
Nice. Wait. Did he manage to go through all of it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Mine is like quite how to say quite direct, and maybe need to do something extra lah, because what I did is like first I use a Ching Hong, just now related to Ching Hong questions. I get the number of digits, then I define how many times I should divide. I start from once and the ending will be number of times I have to divide. And the second one, I was thinking very hard how to capture the number. Just I tried the modulus is the work, so I tried this one, the divide, and I divide by the multiples of the 10. Like for example, like 1, 2, 3 ones. If I want to get the 1, I have to divide it by 1,000. So this one will be the length minus 1 lah. So 1,000 will be like 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So I get the number, I convert it using math flow to number to get rid of the decimal point, and I just do the divisions.
Okay.
Yeah, so I think, wow, I see a lot of time already. I think I only can try this one questions.
Yeah. Maybe I can share you my one also.
Yeah, sure.
Because
I stop sharing first.
my
Hey,
one
guys.
is based on your one. Okay. You have to go already, right?
No lah. Actually, I got plenty of time. Just.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I think Danish have to go soon. So yeah, maybe Danish, you can pass the recording to one of us, and I mean, the host, then we will end it for you.
Wait, how?
You go to the people icon. Then after that, you click on the actions and yeah, assign as co-host.
All right.
Okay, nice.
Nice.
All right. Thanks a lot, Danish.
Yep.
Thank you.
I mean, like, I have some solutions too. Where can I like put it? In the GitHub, right?
Oh, okay.
Do you have the link of the GitHub?
No, I mean like for the Sigma GitHub. Is this the free flow or checkpoint one?
This one is the checkpoint.
Today's checkpoint, right? Okay. So okay, I'm just gonna put it in this one.
I like this question. Yeah.
I like it too.
The nice challenge.
Yeah, we can solve more algorithm question because like today I'm not going anywhere. I'm under home surveillance.
Oh, why?
I got COVID.
Oh no!
Oh no! How unfortunate.
Yeah, I can't go anywhere, so I can do coding and from day to night.
Is it very serious, or is it how bad's the side effect?
First 2 days is like quite serious. I can't get off the bed, but after the third day, everything become better lah. And now I basically doesn't have any symptoms already, but still cannot go out.
Okay lah. Yeah, I think as long as the symptoms comes down, then yeah, that's good. That's good.
Yeah. Okay.
So this one is mine. I put a lot of console log lah, cause I got doing
a checkpoint.
Yeah, so I think I share this one instead.
Okay, sure.
Okay, hold on. Maybe just copy this. So for me, I just count with the pseudo code first, and after that, I just continue the rest from there.
Okay.
Yeah, so basically what I did was I did the split thingy. So it converted to a string and then split it. And then I got the first item, just check if it's 0 or not.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, I did a while case. This one was thanks to you. When you said greater or equals to 1, right? Yeah. So I used that. And yeah, what I did was n and divided by the length of it. And I see, is it equals, if it's not equals to 0, then return false. Yeah, that means that if it's not divisible by that number, let's say it's 3, 4,
yes.
Right, then you return false straight away. If not, then it will continue the loop. So yeah, if we can continue successfully all the way, so this one will run and all, and then we just return true. Yeah, so this is something that I just I learned as well yesterday when I was doing the dino game.
Oh,
yeah. So yeah, I think the logic wise here it looks very similar to yours, right? The Boolean case where it's equals to false or true, things like that.
Yes, I also use a Boolean to check.
Yeah.
Jing Yong, I can't like push stuffs onto the.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, can you request for the X? I mean, can you request and push out? Is it?
I mean, like maybe you need to like add me as a like a higher role.
Higher role,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. I'm not sure. I'll try and see if I can help you out with that later because I'm not so familiar with it yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get back to you on, or you send me the code. You store it somewhere, or you put it up. You put it on CodePen. Is it okay? Put it in CodePen, then just send me the link.
Yeah.
I
Copay is
will
very useful.
help
Yeah.
to put it up right after. Yeah. I'll check with Derek also on the permissions because.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Clifford, do you wanna go for one more? Or
Yeah, sure. Why not?
okay. Then
Okay.
can.
Yeah, I like this kind of like algorithm questions.
Good practice.
Yes.
Wait, where should I put the code again?
You can put it in the chat. Or you can message me on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll put it in chat. I mean, like it's just short. Wait up. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Oh, okay. Use the slice method.
All right, guys. I gotta go.
Okay.
Just anything, just hit me up WhatsApp.
All right.
All
Great.
right.
Thank you, guys.
Okay. Thanks, Danish.
Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care.
Yeah, you too.
So that is,
Bye bye.
Ooh.
I
Wow, this method is like more direct.
So n for string digits dot length. Wow. Wow, this is short. This is very short.
Yes, very direct. And simple too.
He didn't use divide by 10. What he did was he went through
He
each of
slice.
them. He sliced it. Okay, by slicing you get the. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like
Nice.
1, 2, you slice from 0 to 1, so you go 1. Then you slice from 0 to 2, you get 1, 2, something like that.
I see. And the I is already the let. It's inside the loop itself. So it will always be. Whoa. Okay. So this one is dependent on the I itself. This one is dependent on the increasing number from the for loop. Yo, that is cool. That's so cool.
Yeah, that's very cool. This one, save it. Okay. All right, so we try another questions. Shuffle. Do we need to try the expert one?
I mean, we can try. As long as it doesn't throw us like. I mean, yeah, as long as it's JavaScript, I think should be fine.
Okay. Expert one.
I remember Yi Chang, he recommend try to go for expert one. Then it was like you really learn. If you cannot, then yeah, we move down one level a bit.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, could you send me the link also?
Oh, sure.
Okay, thank you.
Diagonal snack. Wow.
Hey, we can do the I can array from these numbers in the order kind of before the stripe, starting from the left up corner, left up corner on top. So it'll be 1, 2, 4, 7. So yeah. No resource. Oh my gosh. Okay. So,
Oh, by this example, I can see what it's trying to do. Like trying to go like diagonal, like 1, 2, 4, 7, then 5, 3, 6, 8, 9.
okay. So drawing a zigzag like that, a diagonal zigzag.
Yeah.
And it is starting from the, it's going towards the right side first. Yeah. So okay, okay. Ooh, gonna be fun.
Code or simple code given. Resources. No resources. Solutions. Okay. No comment.
Let's do this.
Spoiler. Code. I want to see the test case first.
How do you check the test case?
Oh, I just like here already got some code already, so I simply just press check, then I click the test. Oh, okay.
Mine I cannot anymore, because mine
How
it
come?
seems the free trial is over.
Oh, there's a pre-trial.
Yeah.
Ah. Wow, the
If you-
number is like very long.
If you can do help, send one of the checklists for me.
Okay, sure.
Thank you so much. Yeah, just to check it out.
Oh, there's a limit here. Maybe I use code pen. Okay. Okay.
Are they
I put the check case.
the rectangular matrix? The rectangular matrix. Okay, let's break it down, right? We're gonna go in a ladder type position, right?
Yes.
So it's ladder type, a light ladder type pattern. That means we're going to the right, up, right, up, right, up. Then after that, it will be down, left, Is it?
I think so, but
Okay. So the first one, 1 to 2, that means it is going straight. Then after
yes.
that, going down, one step down, one step to the left. All right. Then since there's nothing on the left already, so we check if there's something on the left, we go down. All right. So yeah. So there's one algorithm that's going downwards. Then there's one algorithm going. Oh wait. There's one algorithm going downwards diagonally. Then there's one algorithm going upwards diagonally. And the downward algorithm is bottom, left, bottom, left. All right. Bottom, left, bottom. Cannot go left anymore. So it will just be bottom. Then from 7, we'll go right, top, right, top. Right, cannot go right anymore, then we stop. And then, wow.
It's quite complicated because like actually I share the command with when you scroll down, you can see that the number is like getting very, very, very big.
Yeah. Okay. I think there are 3 steps here. Wow. I think, okay, let me draw it out. Oh my gosh, it's so long.
Yeah, I know, right? Wow. Okay, I think it's not not under my capability. It's like too over my capability.
What?
It's too over my capability.
Wait, let me try. Let's try this
All
one.
right.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna do. Let's try 2 cases. I think if we can figure out the pseudo case, then yeah, then we can figure out how to go from there.
Okay.
But I would say, wow, this one is super advanced, man. Super.
Yeah lah.
Okay, so let's wrap it. So currently the pattern is if it's the first one, then it will go to the right, right? The 2. Then after that, what happens is we can break it down into 4. There are 4 motions to look into, right? It's
Yes.
1 step up, 1 step left, 1 step right, 1 step left. So that means now it is I think we call it north, north, east, west, south. So the first one is going south, sorry, going east, right? So we have one pattern is going east. Then after that, it is going like this. This is 4, right? So this pattern here is south and west. Then after that, we have 7. So 7, we try to do the same thing, south and then west, right? South and then west. But then this one doesn't work, right? This one doesn't work. So we know we reached the end already. All right. So
Yeah.
if we reach the end, that means we know that this is the corner. We know this is the corner. So when we know it's the corner, that means now previously it was this algorithm. Now we need to do this algorithm instead. So if it's 7, now it is going up this way. So this is 5, and then this is 3. All right. So to reach here, then basically there's 3 things. So it will be east, it will be east, north, east, north, east, north. But then here you get cancelled out, right? So we know that this will be the H again. This will be the H case. Yeah. Okay. It looks kind of complicated, really. Yeah,
Maybe you can try the example like this one.
which one?
Yeah. I paste it again. This one. Got 3.
Okay, 4 instead, right? So that's
Yeah.
easier to.
No, 3. 5 times 3 one. The kind of.
8. I think 5 times 3. Yeah, would be a good one to pass it out on. Hey, why the last one so weird one?
The last one is the path. Like for example, the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the path is 1, 2, 4, 7, 5, 3, 6, 8, 9.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay.
My bad. Because the limit it mix up some number. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so it's this one. What's the pattern? The pattern will be here, then here, then after that 5,
5,
3. So from here,
30, 26.
and after that come down, will be 26. 26, and then 26 we walk to 28, 0, 28, and then 0, and then after that will be 2. No, it will be 9. 9, 2, 6, 5, 3. Yeah, you know what? I think this one to get our pattern.
Wow.
Like this, right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
I think the hard part is the diagonal. We have to track that the
Okay, is it correct? 26, then 28, 0, then 9, 2, 6, 15. Then the rest should be correct, right? 30. Oh,
yes,
is
yes,
it
yes.
30, 17, 7, 19, and 10?
Yes, yes.
Yes, right.
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. We know the first. Okay, so let's see what pattern do we have in terms of direction. We have one pattern. Number 1 is this. Pattern number 2 is diagonal. In other words, it's broken down into 2 steps, which is going down, going left. Right. So if let's say this is, yeah, I think if we need to see in terms of x and y direction. I mean that's how I would break it down now. If you guys have a different way, then yeah, please let me know. 2, 3, and the other one will be going upwards, right? Going upwards is the direction. Then what else do we have? Over here, it will go to the left. Then over here, it will go down and down. Wow, headache is this one.
Yeah, we have to trace the diagonal path.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Like I can think of we can use not a solution lah, just an idea only lah. Like because like it's 2D, so we can use like a multi-dimension array to store the whole things inside.
I think so.
Yeah, so the first one is confirmed is like 0, 0. Yeah. Then the second one is like confirmed is like 0, 1.
0, 1.
Okay, so after the 0, 1, they will be checking if they can further move to the right or no lah. After the 0, 1,
No, it will go down straight away. One.
oh, they'll go down because they need to go to the diagonal.
Yeah. So it'll come down. It'll come down, then after that, be
1, 0,
okay, hold on.
then 2, 0.
First of all, there's this corner over here. Oh my gosh. What is so we have one corner here.
Yes.
We have another corner. Okay, one corner. And if I go down, I want to collect the corner. And then if I go back, go up, I know the top, this is the top, this is the top. Wow, there are quite a few ways we can do this. Okay. But oh my gosh. I don't have the best solution for this, that's for sure.
Oh, we change another question.
Yeah, I think can also lah.
Okay, let's not pick the expert one anymore. Okay, I shuffle one. This one is like I think this one can do lah. I didn't really go through a question, but I see like macam boleh lah. Okay. Well, this one need some knowledge on the dimension and matrix. Is a bit too hard. Okay, so this one is a dice score. Grid is a dice game played by 5, 6 dice.
Okay.
Wow, how come one got so many points? Two for the one.
So we're working with 3 sets, right? We're working with sets of 3s, and then either it's a set of 3 or it's a 1. That's it. So if let's say it's a 1, 1, 1, 1, then
1,000 point highest.
100 for another point. Or 1 and a 5, I see. So it's a 5 and 1, so 50. Okay.
Get the point.
Yes, we need to get the point. But how about those non-mentioned like 1, 2, 1, 3 means like no points?
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, all these no points at all. So like 3 sets of 4s and a 2 and a 5, so only 5 is considered. Okay, yeah, I think this one makes sense.
Oh, this one more doable. Just now that one cannot. Don't even know how to start. Okay. So this one 0 marks. Oh yeah, you are right. Not on the rules means 0. So first step we have to define the rules.
Oh yeah. So this is a switch case. Either we can do switch case with else statements. Yeah, Clifford, do you mind sending the code? Sorry, yeah, the question.
Oh, I sent already the link.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, okay, got it. is an integer. It is an array. Okay. Open another one. I need this question 2.js. And using the code. This one is the rules. Okay, so this one.
I think this one can use every.
Oh, but this one actually because like I'm going to try using array to sort the number first, so that it's easier for me to capture the number.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. Every I think maybe can try, but well, I'm not very familiar. Oh, this one I prefer, yeah. Oh, every is like for each.
So every is like for each, and it returns one output.
Yeah. Doing my drinks. Okay.
Oh, it returns. It will return numbers that passes a test. It returns numbers that passes through a test.
Yes. So the code is like, wow. See, got any resources? Oh, there's filter. Oh, switch case. Filter.
By the way, I was checking out Yu Qiang's and Kai's GitHub repository yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Crazy, man. I was looking at it, how much contribution how many contributions they've made, in the 1 year alone, right? They contributed like 1,800.
Wow, 1.8K.
1.8K, that's Kai's. And then the who's it called?
Yiqiang.
From 9K.
Oh.
Yeah. So like, oh my gosh, that's the level of how much they do a day. I mean, like how much they do daily, just to be that good.
Yes, they need a lot of practice.
Seriously, a lot. So I look at the numbers, like, oh my gosh, I need to step up my game already. Yeah.
Okay. A driver quote. I know.
Clifford, I think I should try another question. Try my off first.
Try another questions.
I try for myself. You try for yourself. How?
Oh, can, sure, no problem.
Yeah.
Maybe later after I'm done with this, I can try the questions you share also lah. Sorry lah.
Oh yeah, guys. Sorry. I think I have to head out first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sorry.
no worries. So I'll leave it to you guys.
Sure,
Then
sure.
once you guys are done, just can end the recording lah. And
Oh, okay.
yep.
Thank you.
Thank
you,
you. So,
thank you.
Clifford, maybe you can save your code and send it to me. Then I can put it on our repository. Yeah, Sigma School repository. It's just like
Oh, okay.
the jump starters are done today.
Yeah. Do you come up with the solution for this, the die score?
I was doing halfway also, but I haven't finished yet.
Yeah, but my way is like pretty like just very a bit tedious. I just like code it out all the rules.
True. Mine is also something similar.
A lot of if else case.
I'm still trying to play around with the filter function because I'm not used to. Yeah.
Yes.
So also a similar boat. I will share my answers to you guys also once I.
All right.
Okay. All right.
All
Thanks
right.
everyone.
Thank
Take
you.
care and yeah, have a
Okay,
good time.
thank you.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye bye. I should stop the recording first. Okay, I continue my questions. It's still halfway.
Actually, I try another question. I think the question is a little bit hard. I try some maybe medium or hard first. After I
Okay.
master it, then I go to another level.
Oh, sure. No problem.
So are you still working tomorrow?
No lah, tomorrow is Sunday.
Oh yeah, yeah, Sunday. I thought it's Monday. Okay.
No worries.
Because I think we can find some time for practicing for this question for RP.
Yes.
Clifford,
Yes.
I think maybe we can set a schedule for our pairing programming lah.
Oh,
Maybe when
okay.
you free. Because I feel that more pairing programming can feel that more motivated to learn.
I see, I see. But I'm not sure if because like sometimes working I might need OT then hard.
Maybe I think we can set a time like maybe like today lah, after the jump starter, then we continue the pairing programming.
Yeah, sure. I think this will work. Because like yeah.
Then tomorrow my family asking me to going to golfing. Golfing is, right, it's nearby the Ipoh there.
Oh wow, so nice vacations.
Yeah.
I want to go up but cannot.
Because my grandma friend, or can say it's my grandma friend lah, or my auntie friend lah, from KL come staying my home. So with her going to travel with.
Okay.
I see that programming is quite fun, especially the Edabit can challenge more the like mathematic questions.
Yes.
Currently, I'm doing the parameter lah, also categories as mathematic questions.
I thought maybe I complete this one and I can try the question you're trying also.
Later discuss with you.
Okay, sure. Okay. Okay, I done mine. Maybe you can share your questions.
I haven't done yet. I'm still thinking the solution to do.
Never mind. Just the questions only.
So for your part, you done?
Yeah, I done already.
Wow. You currently can see like my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Can you share the link?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, this one right. It's giving the formula here. Parameter of square, parameter of circle. So letter is yeah, number is down. Yeah, this one is a basic lab we've done before, right? The area, the
Yeah.
product. Yeah. So they're asking us only can use the automatic or the comparison operator, which means cannot.
Branch tree. Wow.
This one I think more simple like if compared the equation.
No lah.
I just want to build up the confidence level.
Yeah, it's good. I think doing Edabit can help us to build up the confidence level.
Because my story is that after I stopped my degree, right, I can say I lost up the confidence lah. Yeah, that's why I need time to build up. I love the mathematical equation since when I was primary school, polytechnic that time lah.
Yes, I also love also quite love mathematics.
I do you can remember what is input into
the first we have to know is square or circle. According to the instruction, if S means is square lah, then if C means is a circle. So if it's square, then we use 4 times the side. Then if it's circle, then we use the 6.28 times. Yeah.
So first of all, I have to do something like maybe let square is equal to 4 power of.
Yeah, this one is how I do it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's actually not really complicated lah. Don't think too much.
If no mistaken or in programming term, right, the power should be 2 times of how we call this in
Which one?
these two.
This one is called the exponential.
Yeah, exponential. So we
we use exponential. We just use multiply.
Oh yeah. Multiply.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, multiply. Yeah. Okay, let's try. So this is the input. And the number will decide about of the for this one, I think should be square the 7 to the 8. The x means is that I think is square. Do you have any idea for this?
I share my solution inside the video, the Google Meet.
Okay. Okay. Oh, so we're doing in function.
Yeah.
In, actually, how many programming language you learn in your degree before?
I think just only like C, C++, Python, MATLAB, four something like that lah.
Best down best. To make more scale. Well, actually, what's the next steps I do?
The first step is to need to know is circle or the square, because the way we calculate the parameters for circle and the square are different. They're given the formula lah. Square is 4 times the side, then the circle is 6.28 times the side. So first step is to know, then the second step is to apply the formula only.
Try.
I think I have to go because a bit sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
If got anything, you still can WhatsApp me lah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.